Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to integrate Mailchimp with Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what do we need to do is head over to our apps section, and there we need to search for Mailchimp. So search in here for Mailchimp and press enter, and you will be able to see that we have Mailchimp official extension or integration. Click on install. Eventually it will be integrated onto your Shopify platform. Shopify itself do not have the capability. You can head over to your online store and head over to preferences, and once you are there, in the preferences section, you can see we have multiple options, but Mailchimp is not visible, so that's why you have to install the app and integrate it. So pretty simple. Make sure to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.